Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off Smart Date Recognition on Todoist application. So how to turn off Smart Date Recognition on Todoist application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Todoist app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Todoist app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right. Tap General menu. And tap Smart Date Recognition. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off Smart Date Recognition on Todoist application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.